Who makes the best air conditioners? Well, I can tell you that majority, every manufacturer is going to tell you they make the best, right? And what I can say is that the manufacturer is important, right? But they're only 50%. You're halfway there. The other 50% of the efficiency, right, the comfort level, and the warranties and the longevity of your system is completely correlated to the installation technicians and also the installation company you hired. What we mean by that is this, right? Because if you think of air conditioning comes in boxes, right? There's an outdoor component, there's an indoor component, there's, controls. What that means is the 50% that goes into putting all the pieces together is as important as to what the brand is, right? So when the question is what manufacturer is the best manufacturer when it comes to the box that they make, I would say that what's more important is the installation technicians and the installation company you hire or choose to hire is as important or more important than the box and the brand that you buy.